Yeah, so the officials are still sorting out things on track here as we await the start of the under 12 girls 4x100 meters. The officials trying to ensure that the teams are in their rightful lanes, their assigned lanes, to be more specific. All right, so Greater Portmore should be in 1, Spanish Town Primary in 2, in 3, Coronel Avenue in 4, that's Halfway Tree Primary, well, Los Angeles Primary. So they finally sent to their blocks for the under 12 girls 4x100 meters for primary schools. So once again, so set about their business, and a quick start out of lane 6 for Naga Head Primary, and up top that's Ascot as well. So it's Naga Head Primary and Ascot up top. And center of the track, that's Angels, the primary also. But up top in lane 7, that's Ascot Primary. And Nagahead as well. And on the inside, that's maybe Windward Road Primary, who are moving nicely. So Halfway Tree Primary now, center of the track, steaming away with this one, the under 12 girls 4x100 meters. Halfway Tree Primary, no stopping them this afternoon. And they ease across the line, 51.53. And Spanish Town Primary, they come through for second.
I think that's a new record if it's official time.
So, yeah,
51.58,
yeah,
the current record.
Just under the record.
So we have another record.
Yeah.
Halfway Tree Primary, they stole that one there on the last 2 legs. It seemed like the lead was changing at every leg, each leg in this relay. And here, another look at the start here. Naga Head Primary in lane 7 start really well on the outside there in the red. And on this first exchange is where Spanish Town Primary takes over the lead because of that exchange there for Naga Head, and it's Spanish Town Primary and Naga Head. And here we see Halfway Tree Primary, second leg runner, starting to push forward. And nice exchange, good arm extension, and they build on that second leg into this third leg. And look at her go for the final exchange.
And look at that change there on that final leg. Comes from Halfway Tree Primary. It's a wonderful run for them.
Yeah, not the prettiest exchange, but it's efficient, and they're running well, and they do so in a new record. Here she goes.
Yeah, massive race coming up next on track as we move into the high school. As we move into the high school section for the 4x100s.